Guys, welcome back. Want to generate money during the coronavirus pandemic without having to leave your house? Or do you want to learn how to make money online so you can support your trips once the coronavirus has passed? Well, you found the right place because I'm going to tell you how to make around $50 every day just by watching YouTube videos. So if you want to have all the information you need to act, make sure to watch the video all the way through. Let's get right to the video now. It's possible that you're wondering, why do people pay to watch videos on YouTube? It's both bizarre and strange at the same time. However, there is a whole logic to it. We all know that keeping views on YouTube involves a lot of luck and perseverance. There are a lot of people on YouTube who are having trouble growing their channels. They've done practically everything YouTube suggests, yet their videos are still not gaining views. The YouTube network is so clogged with fresh uploads that getting your video noticed is nearly difficult. This necessitates a different strategy for obtaining the desired YouTube views. The YouTubers need to buy YouTube views in order for the YouTube algorithm to notice them. There are a number of companies online that will help them gain more views on their videos in exchange for a small charge. These ambitious YouTubers approach these businesses and seek for their assistance in promoting their videos in exchange for a little price. On the other side, they broadcast their videos to millions of individuals all over the world. That is where you will be able to earn money. By watching these YouTube videos, you can earn money. When you watch their videos, you help them gain more views and earn money. Isn't it simple? I will be telling you about 3 such companies to earn money simply by watching videos. So all you need to do is subscribe to the channel to gain interesting tricks to earn money online, and watch this video complete to the end, and don't forget to take notes. Number 1. Million Formula. It is one of the most popular and straightforward sites for earning money by viewing videos. Million Formula is a well-known social media marketing firm that offers video promotion for a price. On the other side, they broadcast these videos to millions of individuals all over the world. That is where you will be able to earn money. On the other hand, this provides you with the possibility to earn money by watching and playing those films. Each time you watch a YouTube video, you will be paid 4 cents. You earn money for each video you watch, so the more videos you watch, the more money you make. You can do this part-time or full-time depending on your preferences. It is estimated that you can earn between $20 and $55 each day. All you need to do is make an account in Million Formula, log into that account, and watch YouTube videos there. And once you collect $20 in your account, you can request a payout. It is as easy as that. But one thing is there to keep in mind, that you need to have a Gmail account and an Activate one. Number 2. Swagbucks. The next website is Swagbucks. I highly recommend signing up with Swagbucks to begin earning rewards for watching videos, surfing the web, and doing paid online surveys if you haven't already. Swagbucks will offer you a variety of videos, but you should expect a lot of short pieces including commercials, news articles, and viral videos. Although you won't make a lot of money or Swagbuck points by watching movies on the site, we think it's worth a shot because it's so straightforward. Plus, combining Swagbucks with other tips on this list will quickly add up to a significant amount of money. Apart from that, you can easily earn money by doing a lot of things. Well, watching videos is a big part, but other than that, you can earn money by watching ads, trailers, filling surveys, watching commercials, and the list goes on and on and on. Number 3. Slice the Pie. This one has a very distinct flavor. Slice the Pie is a review site where you can get points for doing things as simple as viewing entertaining videos, listening to music, and responding to surveys. Commercials and excerpts from movies and TV shows are among the videos. The first thing on every web page is the same, and you've probably memorized it by now. Before you can begin reviewing, you must first activate your account and complete a few questions such as what types of TV series and music genres you enjoy. After that, you're set to start earning right soon after opening your account. You might be shown a video ad or a trailer for a TV show, and you'd utilize a slider on the side of the screen to express your thoughts while watching. You slide it up to the smiling face if you like what you see. If you don't like it, you can slide it down to the sad face. The video will stop if you don't move the slider for long, and you'll be reminded to keep moving it. After you've completed watching the video, you'll be asked to write a brief review and rate the clip out of 10. You may be asked a few more questionnaire-style questions about your thoughts depending on the video. Discuss the characters, the setting, the screenplay, and the atmosphere in your review. Well, I hope you are getting it. Now it's time to end my video and leave you all for now. But don't you go anywhere, make sure to watch my other videos already made for you about how to earn money just by copying and paste. Leave a like to the video, comment down below how much you have earned, and share it with your friends. With lots of loves until next time, take care and keep following.